Okay children, let's do the next sum. We are doing the next sum as I have already done without starting the recording. 1070 minus 1020 minus 21040 is equal to 41010. So we are going to use the formula 10a minus b. Sometime it happens. I started the teaching without realizing that I had not started the recording. So 10a minus b is 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. So 1070 minus 20 will be 1070 minus 1020 upon 1 plus 1070 1020. So when we shifted, we got 1070 minus 1020 as 1070 minus 20 into 1 plus 1070 into 1020. Now the left hand side was 1070. Left hand side, let us replace it with 1070 minus 20 into 1 plus 1070 into 1020 and minus 2 1040. 1070 minus 20 will be 1050. 1020 I have written as 1090 minus 70, which will become cot 70, and cot 70 is 1 upon 1 upon 1070, so they will cancel with each other. Like here, this will cancel with this, so you will obtain 1050 degree and 1 plus 1 minus 210 40 degree. Now again it will become 2 common and you will get 1050 degree minus 1040 degree. Now like we started with 1070 minus 1020, similarly we will start with 1050 minus 1040, and of course right, 2 is common here, and what will I get inside? I'll get 1050 minus 40 will be the one bracket, and in another bracket 1 plus, it will be 1050 which is okay, 1 plus 1050 degree and 1040 degree. This will become 2 10 degree. This will become 1 plus 1050, and this I can write as 1090 minus 50. Again 90 minus 50 will be 1040, but this will change to cot 50. 2 10 degree 1 plus 1050 into cot 50 degree. 1050 and cot 50 are reciprocal of each other, so they will cancel with each other. And what will you get? You will get 2 10 degree, and this will be 1 plus 1. So it will be 2 to the 4 10 degree, which is the right hand side, which is your right hand side, So we are able to prove this equal to the right hand side. We are able to prove it as equal to the right hand side. There is some difference between my writing and it coming onto the page. This is the speed of the internet making the difference. Anyway, this is the question. The action on there is late. Alright, now let's see the next question. Next question is tan theta plus tan 2 theta, 2 tan 2 theta plus tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. We have to prove this. We have to prove this. It's coming a little slow, so don't mind it. Now what we are going to start with, the last step. I'm going to start with the last step. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll start with the fourth step. Fourth step is 8 cot 8 theta. I can write it as 8 upon 10 8 theta. Tan 8 theta will be written as 2 tan 4 theta upon 1 minus tan square 4 theta. Why it is so? Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So if it is 8 theta, tan 8 theta, when we will convert this, it will become half of that. That will become, this is the formula we are using. It becomes half there. So it will become what? 8 into 1 minus tan square 4 theta upon 2 tan 4 theta. This is the fourth step. Now third plus fourth step. Third plus fourth step. 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta upon 2 tan 4 theta. I'm just using the basic steps. I'm not using any complicated form. Now when you will take LCM, it will become 8 tan square 4 theta plus 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta upon 2 tan 4 theta. This term will cancel with this term and you will get 4 upon tan 4 theta. You get 4 upon tan 4 theta, which will become what? 4 upon 2 tan 2 theta and 1 minus tan square 2 theta will come here. Now let us see, this step has been obtained, and let us see second. Now it has come in terms of 2 theta. So let us see the second step. Second step. Second step was what? 2 tan 2 theta. 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 minus 4 tan square 2 theta upon 2 tan 2 theta. When we will take LCM, what will happen is, it will become 4 tan square 2 theta plus 4 minus 4 tan square 2 theta upon 2 tan 2 theta. Again, this term will cancel and we will get 2 upon tan 2 theta. 2 upon tan 2 theta, which will become 2 upon, it will be what? 2 tan theta and 1 minus remove this. Sorry for this technical problem. Okay, 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now the first term was in this tan theta. So first term is tan theta, and whatever we have solved here is 2 1 minus tan square theta upon 2 tan theta. No, here 2 tan theta, 2 theta, theta. This will cancel. If I take the LCM, it is tan theta. It will become tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta. Tan square theta will come. 1 upon tan theta is cot theta, which is right hand side. Which is the right hand side. So we are just applying the formula of tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. If it is tan 4 theta, it is 2 tan 2 theta upon 1 minus tan square 2 theta. If it is tan 4 theta, then it is 2 tan 2 theta upon 1 minus tan square 2 theta. If it is tan 8 theta, then it is 2 tan 4 theta upon 1 minus tan square 4 theta. This is all what we have applied here, nothing else. And we started from the last step and we arrived at the right hand side. Now one more question we have to do, which is for cos cube 10 degree minus plus sin cube 20 minus sin cube 20 degree is equal to 3 cos 10 degree plus sin 20 degree. Let us start with left hand side. Cos cube and sin cube are coming, so we have to use the formula of cos 3 theta and sin 3 theta. We know that cos cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta will be equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Here it is 4 cos cube 10. 4 cos cube instead of theta I have 10. So it will become cos 30 degree plus 3 cos 10 degree. Sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So 4 sine cube theta is 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Now I have 4 sine cube 20. So it will become 3 sine 10, sine 20, 3 sine 20 minus, it will become how much? Sine 3, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree, 3 times of the angle 3 theta. Now, from equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1 and equation 2. Left hand side was 4 cos cube 10 plus 4 sine cube 20 degree. So 4 cos cube 10, the values will come from first equation, that is cos 30 degree plus 3 cos 10 degree. And for sine cube 20, it will come 3 sine 20 and minus sine 60 degree. Is that clear? The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 3 cos 10 degree plus 3 sine 20 degree, and sine 60 is also root 3 upon 2. So they will cancel, one is plus, the other is minus, and when you take 3 common, it will be left with cos 10 degree plus sine 20 degree, which is your right hand side, So this completes this part of the problem. We will be doing some more sums on this. Definitely, there are a lot of sums on this. Thank you.